There's two types of people in this world. There's the one type, which is people who are here today that know Jess and Demerol and love them. And the other type haven't met them yet.
How are you doing, honey?
I'm all right.
You all right?
I'm good, actually.
You're good. You're good. Okay, good. Love you, honey.
Love you.
Love you more.
We'll see you in a half hour.
So Dave, I asked you what you thought when you first met Jessica. And you said that you thought, well, I'm not very talkative. But wow, she is such a social butterfly. Maybe I should try to get to know her better. And Jessica, when you first saw Dave, you said you thought, what a quiet guy. But he sure is cute. And you noticed how many qualities he had that you admired and that you even wished that you yourself possessed. So at this time, Dave and Jessica will exchange their vows to one another. I, Dave, take you, Jessica.
I, Dave, take you, Jessica.
To be my lawfully wedded wife.
To be my lawfully wedded wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer or poorer.
In sickness and in health.
For sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
And to love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
I, Jessica, take you, Dave.
I, Jessica, take you, Dave.
To be my lawfully wedded husband.
To be my lawfully wedded husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Now, by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no one tear apart. Dave, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. David Stewart Damerol.
If I had a lab where I could create the perfect man for Jess, where he had the ability to calm her down when she's anxious, to make her feel gorgeous when she's insecure, to calm her down when she's overworking herself, and to always encourage her towards Jesus, my created man wouldn't hold a candle to Mr. Dave Damerol. It has been an absolute pleasure to be able to watch the Lord guide and grow both of you through your all's relationship. And I know this is only the beginning.
Every moment on and on, we got a beautiful story. And
It is a great pleasure to introduce you for the first time, David and Jessica Damerol.
Love for Jessica shows through everything you say, and we are so happy for the both of you.
It was obvious that she was going to be special. It was obvious that Jess was going to stay in our lives. Because after the first date, Damerol for the next 3 weeks came to Oliver and I, his roommates, and said, I don't know how to respond to this sentence, this text. I don't want to mess it up. Then he stopped asking for advice. And I was like, something went horribly wrong. What happened? So I asked him, hey, Damerol, is everything okay? He goes, yeah, everything's fine. And I looked at the text, I'm like, he's doing better than us. And I never understood that. It was humbling. But they understood that. And that's when I realized he found his new designated hitter. And they had that symbiotic relationship.
We got a beautiful story. Every